So next problem is under source transformation. Okay, so what do you mean by source transformation? So you can transfer the current source to the voltage source. There are two sources, current source and voltage source. So you can change or transform the current source to voltage source as well as the voltage source to current source. So how you can change that? So when the current source is always the resistor current source இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு பேரலாக இருக்கும் இது சீரீஸாக இருந்தால் நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So here the current source, when the current source is parallel with the resistor means you can change this as the voltage source series with the resistance. When the current source is parallel with the resistor means we can change that as to voltage source series with the resistance. So in order to convert the voltage source, what is V? According to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. So what is the current here? 10 into 2 20 volt, okay, into this resistance, okay, series. So ஒரு current source ஒரு ரெசிஸ்டருக்கு பேரலாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது ஒரு voltage source ரெசிஸ்டருக்கு சீரீஸாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். And next, if one voltage source is series with the resistor 5 ohm, then you can convert to current source. எப்படி கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணலாம்? What is current value? V by R. So here what is the voltage? 10 by 5 is 2 ampere. Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ இட் ஷுட் பி பேரலல் டு த ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ், கரண்ட் சோர்ஸ் இஸ் பேரலல். ஸோ அதனால் இந்த 5 ohm ரெசிஸ்டரை பேரலாக ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் த கான்செப்ட் பியாண்ட் தி source transformation. When the current source is parallel to the resistor, then it is converted to the voltage source series with the resistor. When the voltage source is series with the resistor, then we can convert the current source parallel to the resistor. So we can see one problem. Using source transformation, find the current delivered by 50 volt voltage source using source transformation. So see the diagram. So if you see the diagram, here voltage source is series with the resistor. Here current source is parallel with the resistor. Parallel. So ஒரு நோட்லேருந்து என்ன இருக்குது, current sourceம் resistorம் connect ஆகிருக்கு. Here voltage source is series. So now you can convert this to a voltage source. இப்படிதானே பேரலாக இருக்குது, current source resistorக்கு பேரலாக இருக்கிறதுனால using source transformation you can convert this to a voltage source. So while converting, you got here what is the current source? Here what is the current source? 10 ampere. Okay. So while converting the voltage source, V is equal to I into R. So 10 into 20, what is the value? 10 into 2. Okay, not 20. 10 into 2. So what is the value? 20 volt. Okay, 20 volt. And here 2 ohm resistance. That 2 ohm resistance you want to draw as the series. Okay, so நம்ம change பண்ணியாச்சு. Using source transformation we have changed the current source to the voltage source. Okay, so now we got two loops. Using mesh analysis you can solve this. Mesh analysis வச்சு solve பண்ணிக்கலாம். So put the direction clockwise directionல மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay, so எப்போவுமே நமக்கு கரண்ட் வந்து ப்ளஸில் இருந்தால் டிஸ்சார்ஜ் ஆகும். ஸோ நீங்கள் இப்போ கரண்ட் டைரெக்ஷனை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தேர் வில் பி கொஞ்சம் குழப்பங்கள் உண்டாகும். அதனால் என்ன பண்ணணுன்னா எப்போவுமே கரண்ட் டைரெக்ஷனை கிளாக் வைஸில் போட்டு பழகிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, so here we are applying KVL in loop 1. While applying KVL in loop 1, so what is KVL? Sum of the voltage rise equal to sum of the voltage drop. So here it is voltage rise. Okay, so 50. So here drop, resistor drop, this also drop. So 5 I1 2 I1 minus I2, I1 minus I2, and this is also drop. So plus 20. So 50 minus 20 equal to 7 I1 minus 2 I2. So you got the first equation. Next apply KVL to loop 2. So while applying KVL to loop 1, here it is rising. What is here? It is dropping. So I2 minus I1, 2 into I2 minus I1. Here 3 I2 dropping, and this also dropping. Plus 2 minus lila போகுது, அப்போ dropping 10 volt. So rearrange and you got the equation minus 2 I1 plus 5 I2 10. Either you can solve by substitution method or you can solve by Cramer's rule, or equation இருக்குன்னா calculatorல டைரெக்டாக போட்டு பார்த்துடலாம். Okay, so in the question they have asked to find current delivered by 50 volt. Okay, so current delivered by 50 volt means you want to find only the value I1. Okay, so you can use the calculator or I have solved using Cramer's method. So two equation Cramer's rule. So del means you want to find this value. 7 5s are 35. 35 minus 4 31. Okay, so del I1 means you want to change the first column to this value. So 30 10. So you got 170. So only we need I1. I1 means del I1 by del. So 170 by 31. So what is the value? 5.48 ampere. Okay, no need to find del I2 because we need only I1 value, that is the current flowing through the 50 volt voltage source. So only we need I1. So in order to find I1, find del I1 and del, or you can use the calculator and you can put the values of two equations. So change the mode to equation 1. Okay, change the mode to equation. So here how many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns. Okay, so first value is 7. So second value is 7I1 minus 2I2. Okay, so second value minus 2 and third value is 30. And next here, what is the first value? Minus 2, and next value 5, and next value 10. So now we got the answer. Okay, I1 is 5.48. Okay, I1 என்ன value கடிச்சிருக்கு? 5.48. Okay, 5.48. So this is one of the problem in source transformation. We can see another one problem. Applying source transformation technique to find I0. Okay, so it is a problem. So here also see in this problem, here it is the current source which is parallel with the resistor. Okay, and here also one current source parallel with the resistor. So they have asked to find using source transformation. So you know, source transformation means if the current source is parallel to the resistor, we can easily change that to the voltage source. How? Voltage source here is V is equal to I into R. So 5 into 6, that is 30 volt, and it is series with the resistor, that is 6 ohm. Okay, and then resistor 3 ohm, 5 volt, 7 ohm, and here also it is parallel. So in order to change to voltage source, what is the value? V is equal to I into R. 5 3s are 15 volt, and which is series with the resistance 5 ohm. So now there are how many loops? 3 loops are there. Okay, so first loop. So you want to write the first equation. In order to write the first equation, so here it is rising, this is dropping, and this is also dropping. 3 into I1 minus I2. So after solving, you get the first equation as 3I1 minus I2 equal to 10. Now second loop. So second loop, so here it is also dropping, 3 ohm is dropping. So 3 I2 minus I1 and minus 2 plus then rising. Okay, voltage rise. So 7 ohm, 7 into I2 minus I3. So it is also dropping. So 2 resistors are dropping and it is rising. Okay, so you want to write 3 into I2 minus I1 plus 7 into I2 minus I3 equal to 5. So after solving, you got this equation. Minus 3I1 plus 10I2 minus 7I3 equal to 3. Then come to the third loop. So in third loop, so here 7 into I3 minus I2. Okay, 7 into I3 minus I2. Okay, plus 5I3. Okay, 5I3, and it is dropping, plus 2 minus. So write the equation. Minus 3I1 plus 10I2 minus 7I3 equal to 3. So now we this is the third equation. 7I3 minus I2 plus 5I3 plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so after solving, you get this equation. Now you can substitute these values in the calculator. Okay, so change the mode to the equation. So how many unknowns? 3 unknowns. So what is the first equation value? First equation value is 9, and second equation value is minus 3. Okay, and third value is 0. Okay, and the equal to value is 30. And next, and the next equation value minus 3, and then value is 10, and then value is minus 7, and next one is 5. Okay, and then in third equation, what is the value? Here I1 value is 0, and I2 value is minus 7, and I3 value is 12. Okay, and equal to value is minus 15. So we need, in order to find I0, okay, we need to find I0. Either it is I2 minus I3 or I3 minus I2. Okay, so we got the I2 value was 1.27. Okay, we got I2 value was 1.27 and I3 value was minus 0.5. So we need I0. Okay, what is I0? Either it is I2 minus I3 or I3 minus I0. So 1.27 plus 0.5. So what is the answer? 1.78. Okay, 78 ampere. 77 or 78. 77. So where value set 78. Nearby the answer is 1.78. Okay, it is the value for I0. The value for I0.